everyone, and welcome to 2025. Happy New Year, and welcome to your brand new 4-week free program, Make It Happen. I've designed this to help you get going in the new year with your movement goals and keep you consistent with your training. So we're just doing little segments, little nuggets of classes throughout the 4 weeks each day for you to follow along and help ease you back into those routines of movement with flexibilities training, mobility work, and a little bit of ballet strength conditioning too, to really set you up for the year ahead. So don't forget to download your free follow along calendar as well. You can print that out and just tick off your classes each time, which will help you stay consistent and see how much wonderful, brilliant work you're going to be doing over this month. So we're going to kick things off with our first class today, which is your 5-minute morning mobility routine. So you don't need any equipment for this, just get comfortable and I'll meet you on the mat. So beginning today seated, we're going to pop our hips over to one side and then we're going to reach the arm up and over and away. Holding here, feeling the stretch along the oblique and the QL, your side body. And then we're going to curve forward and reach back up to the side. Curving forward and reach. Curving forward and reach, curving forward and reach. Holding here. Go as deep as you like. You can come up if this is enough, or you can drop much further. We curve forward all the way around to center. Bring those hips back onto your heels, switching sides, up and over to the other side. So we're sitting off our heels here. And then we curve. And again, curve. And reach. Keeping a bit of speed. So just be kind to your body. Let it warm up from that night's rest. And now we're introducing the movement back into our torso. And curve forward. And over to the other side. And sitting back onto your heels. Swinging round to a comfortable position. You can kneel or sit cross-legged, or if you'd like to have a block underneath your hips for support. And we're going to go again over to the side. Then we're going to dip that hand behind the nape of our neck, open and reach and look up to the ceiling. And then curving forward, tap the elbow down towards the knee. Lift and open. Curve and tap. Lift and open. Curve and tap. Feeling that stretch in your ribs and your side body again, but opening up in the diaphragm, feeling the chest awaken. Stretch those shoulders, see something in front of you. And holding, extend the arm, and up and over to the other side. We reach. Hand behind the nape of your neck, fingertips, open the elbow, look up, and then curve and tap. Reach, curve and tap. Reach, and curve. Open, see the ceiling, and curve. Reach one last time. Extend the arm, feel the stretch, and then back to center. Coming around onto tabletop, all fours position. We're going to sit back on our heels, rolling forward through our cat-cow, dropping the hips by engaging the glutes. Squeeze, drop, and look up. Don't worry how far your hips go. Send that tailbone back behind you and sit onto your heels. And again, rolling through. Engage the glutes. Don't compress the lower back too much. Protect it by squeezing your legs. And back. Engage, rolling forward. And back. rolling onto all fours. We're going to take one arm. We're going to lift up with the elbow, down and reach. Pulling back, down and reach. Pulling back and reach. Back and reach. Last two. 1. Now we go up and over the top. Down and up. Big circles with these arms. Reach all the way up. See your hand as you bring it around. Down and up. Down and up. Your last circle, bring that hand behind you, wrap it around and see if you can sit back on your heels, feed that arm through and take a gentle spiral. Holding here, open that chest and unwind. Come back to tabletop and we repeat the other side and we go. Elbow back and reach, back and reach. Pull the elbow, brush down and forward. Pull back and forward for 3, 2, 1. We circle around, down and around. And around, and around. Last one, up. Feed that hand behind your back, palm facing out, slide it around your waist. See if you can reach for that thigh and spiral the shoulders looking up. Press into your hand on the mat, push your shoulders around. And gently release back to the mat. Sit back into child's pose, reach forward and relax down to the mat to finish. Take a deep breath here and drop the forehead down.